Right, we're at a little car graveyard. There's some very, very nice old cars here today. There's a bungalow just after it. I don't know if it's anything to do with these cars, so I'm just going to stay very quiet whilst we're going round to have a look. I'm with Explore with Matt today, so but yes, it's a very nice one, but I will be very quiet, so there won't be much talking. Ready, yeah? Got a Jaguar here. It's an old fuel station as well, there's old things. Nice, isn't it? There's a noise over there, what was that? What's that thing? That's nothing. It's an upside down boat. What's this one? Mercedes, what is it? Hey, Leyland. There's a Leyland. I'm going to tag Leyland in that. It's nice, isn't it?
Looks like it painted on paint.
Probably did back then. That's nice. Is that some sort of old workshop? They're nice, aren't they? It's all covered up. He likes his Jaguars. A Jaguar. There's another Jaguar over there. I'm not going to go too far over that way just because of the window, you know what I mean? That one might be in use, I don't know. All the old diesel pumps. Vanguard. A standard Vanguard. Yeah, some definitely cool cars here. I like that. I do like that one. I won't go in there. I won't go in there. It's like an old stock room or something, doesn't it? There's some new stuff though, HP Pavilion, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, true.
Someone's trying to smash the window up there as well. Yeah. Don't want to get the blame for that. There's a camera on top of that house as well. I know. Right. Well, it was a little bit of a short video, but sort of an interesting video at the same time. Eh? Is it? I do like this Austin though. Is it an Austin? Austin, yeah, that was it. I like that. I get mixed up with these, and is it the Morris? And that one over there looks very sort of, I mean, it's got a split in the screen, that one over there, but they all sort of the same sort of era, aren't they? It's got the same, yeah, very, but yeah, same sort of era with the bonnet bit on the front. So that's an Austin, yeah. Yeah, cool, very cool. But yeah, I don't know what it's got to do with that bungalow next door. I've got a feeling that bungalow, it's his gear here. So I'm not going to go too far over there. But it's clearly up. Hey? Oh yeah, stone wheel there. Yeah.
Pretty pointless though, because you get nothing seconds.
Yeah. So they clearly are abandoned, but which is cool. So people would have pulled in here at some point. It's hard to tell, isn't it? Filled up and drove out the other way. Proper little petrol station.
There's a sign on there saying that it's
Hey?
attendant serving only.
Oh, is it? So they used to fill up here?
Yeah.
Attendant serving. So attendant serving is, we don't get it much here anymore. There's only one that used to do it at Horncastle that I've seen.
It used to be a colony as well.
Did the? Yeah, it's not very common anymore, but the people come out in different countries. I know they still do it in different countries, but in the UK, people come out, they fill up for you. You tell them how much, and then you pay. They do the filling up. Well.
And there's more cash back.
Yeah, I'm just going to climb back under here. Don't nearly snap my back in half last time trying to squat down. What did I say this was? I said it was a Mazda, it's a bloody Toyota. Right, that's it then. So that concludes our little car graveyard. Some very nice old cars there. I thought I'd come and do it. I think a lot of people know where this is, but I think it's owned by that other bloke. I thought, fuck it, I'll do it anyway. They are abandoned, he don't use them. Still climbing. Just waiting for him again. Right, thanks for watching. Car graveyard. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Ta-da. Bye.